Wanting to be taller is something that many people desire, but it's important to remember that height is largely determined by genetics and cannot be easily changed. While leading a healthy lifestyle can contribute to overall growth, there are limited options for adults to increase their height. The question that arises is whether there are any methods to increase height as an adult. Yes, throughout your teenage years, there are a bunch of cool things you can totally do to make sure you are unlocking your full potential for growth. More and more teenagers are desperate to grow taller and gain those extra inches before it is too late. If you are among them, you can achieve this with some tips to increase your height in a month. In this video, we have compiled a scorching list of top 10 tips that will set your growth on fire and have you reaching new heights in just 30 days. So let's kick things off. Number 1. Perform stretches. Exercising is ultimate secret to growing taller. Start your day off with a super fun and gentle workout that will help you reach new heights. You have lots of options to choose from based on how bendy you are and how much of sweat you want to break. Whether you go for some easy breezy stretches or kick it up a notch with more intense routines, the choice is yours. Number 2. Have a balanced diet. No amount of exercise alone can help you grow taller. Consume a healthy meal rich in nutrients and vitamins in order to nourish the body with nutrients to grow taller. Diet rich in calcium and protein, avoiding salt and fat, may promote growth. Include green sprouts and plenty of veggies if you have set your mind on growing taller. Number 3. Do massages and yoga. Spend half an hour gently massaging your body with warm olive oil before you sleep. Practicing yoga or an abdominal massage may also stimulate the growth hormone. Number 4. Take HGH supplements. Comprised primarily of multivitamins and glucosamine, HGH supplements serve to elevate growth hormone levels in the body, thereby fostering an increase in vertical growth. Number 5. Sleep well. The importance of deep sleep and getting enough rest. Did you know that when you sleep deeply, your brain releases HGH? To ensure a good night rest, doctors recommend taking a walk after dinner and sleeping for a full night, 8 hours. Number 6. Practicing good posture. Standing and sitting with proper posture can give you an extra few inches of height. To the envy of room by working perfect posture. Here's how. Roll your shoulders back. Engage your core by gently pulling your belly button towards your spine. Keep your head level and in line with your body. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Avoid locking your knees. Sit like a pro with these tips. Plant both feet on the ground. Adjust your chair height till your feet rest flat on the floor and thighs are parallel to it. Add some cushion or cloth for back support. Number 7. Go cycling. Paddling through life not only stretches calories but also perks up metabolism and gives those muscles a good stretch. Some even say it could add a few inches to your height, but that's just a word on the street. Number 8. Minimize stress. Stress has been shown to impede the body's natural growth processes by releasing hormones that are incompatible with growth. Therefore, it is essential to manage stress levels and aim to remain stress-free. Number 9. Wear insoles in your shoes. Want to look like a towering giant? Pocket-friendly height elevating insoles have got your back. While they won't actually add inches to your height, they will give the illusion of a taller you. Number 10. Ensure adequate calcium intake. Calcium plays a prominent role in promoting bone health. It's aid in the growth and strengthening of bones, thereby increasing bone density. The video seems to have targeted teenagers instead of adults, possibly because height increase is only achievable before growth plates fuse. Once fused, there is no way to increase height. And that's a wrap. Finger crossed you gleaned some sweet nuggets of knowledge from my video. Smash that subscribe button and stay the loop for all my latest videos. Let's not forget to give you a reminder, you are stunning. Thanks for watching. If you have any other video suggestions, please comment down below. Bye bye and take care.